Hello. First of all, thank you for participating in these activations. I wanted to show you the beacons and some of the different light states that you might encounter, especially if the beacons are off and when they're charging. Yeah, just show you how to charge them, start them up, and yeah, what to expect. So this here is a beacon, and I do have really low light conditions right now just to make it easier to see. This is what the beacon looks like when it's charging. You can see when I lift it up, it stops charging, and when I put it back on the charger, it starts charging again. As long as you see this red light here, it's charging. There's also, I'll just take this off, little indicator lights on the back here of the charger, which I'll take some photos of as well, that will also indicate for you if the beacon is charging. So you can also see here that there's a switch. You would use this switch here to turn on the beacon. Now you can see once I turn the beacon on, you can see two different lights here. You can see, I'll just take this off the charger here. You can see that there is a red flashing light and there's a green flashing light. So the red flashing light is the GPS that is constantly going. So even once the beacon is started up, we'll see that light, and you can see there that the beacon went through a few different stages of colors. There was a green flashing light, and then a cyan light, and then a blue cyan, and then the lights turned on. So this whole process happens rather quickly. And it can take a bit longer sometimes, up to 5 minutes before it finally turns on. But yeah, that is it pretty much, turning on the beacon. And then if I wanted to turn off the beacon, I would just use the same switch. The other thing I'll show you as well is on the bottom of the beacon. And I'll just turn on some light for this. On the bottom of the beacon here, you can see that there's a copper coil, and that's actually, I would consider that to be the bottom of the beacon and how you would charge it. So this is the side that needs to be down when you put it on the charger. Okay, you can kind of see there the red light that's on. It's harder to see the more daylight there is. It actually isn't that bright.